In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the blower for Ford F-150 2014. This is the AC blower. The following are the tools required for replacing the blower. Small 8mm shallow socket, 8mm ratcheting wrench, small electric impact wrench. Open the right front passenger door. Unplug the blower connector. Use the small 8mm shallow socket with the small electric impact wrench. Remove the blower mounting screws. For the innermost screw, use the 8mm ratcheting wrench to remove it. Remove the last screw. Remove the blower. Here is the comparison of old versus new blower. The reason for replacing the blower motor is because the old blower motor failed, which causes the AC system to stop blowing cold air and airflow. Install the new blower. Align it with the mounting holes and install. Install the retaining screws into the screw holes. Use the small 8mm shallow socket and the small electric impact wrench. First, tighten the two outer mounting screws. Install the innermost screw. Use the 8mm ratcheting wrench to tighten it. Plug the blower connector back in.